Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to host a NextJS website on Hostinger. First, log into your Hostinger account. On your dashboard, under the hosting section, click the Manage button beside your business web hosting. Once inside, go to the File Manager. Inside the manager, you'll see the public underscore HTML folder. Click on that. This is where you'll upload your Next.js file. To do that, click the Upload button at the top right, then choose File, and upload your Next.js zip file. After the upload is complete, right-click on the file. From the options, select Extract. Then, give your folder a name and extract it. Next, open the folder. Press Ctrl plus A on your keyboard to highlight all the files. Then, right-click and select Move File from the options. Now, we need to move those files to the public underscore HTML folder. To do that, double-click on the folder icon, then click Move. Now, all the files are under the public underscore HTML folder. With that, your Next.js site is successfully hosted on Hostinger. So, when you go back to your dashboard and click on your domain, it will take you to your Next.js website. And that's just it. That's how you host your Next.js website to Hostinger. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.